Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change your TikTok profile picture. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, open up the TikTok app. At the one here, tap on your profile at the bottom right. And then tap on edit right here beside your profile picture. So tap on it. And then once done, you'll be able to see change photo option right here. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then you can either take a photo or upload a photo directly from your phone's gallery. So for example, upload photo, allow all access. Now go ahead and select the photo that you wanted to use. For example, this one right here. So just tap on select and next. Wait a bit. You can go ahead and crop it, zoom in, zoom out, whatever you want. And then just click on save and post. Once that's done, post this to your story, no or yes. Save. Says here uploading, just wait a bit. And then once that's done, you are now good to go. That's how simple it is to change your TikTok profile picture. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.